Hey guys, I'm Dwayne with the Southeastern Grasslands Initiative. We're out here at Dunbar Cave State Park at SGI's first sort of on-the-ground project. It's the 15-acre prairie restoration. And when you see all this green right here, it can be hard to differentiate what you're looking at. But a lot of this out here is black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta. And so this is a natural component of many types of grasslands across the southeast. And you can begin to see these are in flower bud. And so these are literally about to explode. Here's one that's just about to open. But other than that, you don't see a lot except for this broadleaf grass. And it'd be easy to think this is a prairie grass, but it's not. It's the African species Johnson grass, Sorghum halepense. But look down on the ground layer with me, and that's where you can actually see a lot of what's really going on. We have butterfly milkweed here. We've got these grasses which are beginning to emerge. These are our blue stems and Indian grasses here. And so there's a lot going on down here that one may not really truly recognize until you look close. There's some native peas down here. That's a little Lespedeza. Oh, this is one I just found, new to the site. This is a type of rosin weed or a silphium. There's some trefoils in here. But let me show you the one pretty one that's right here that just started flowering. Here we go. Prairie beard tongue. Penstemon digitalis. So this place will absolutely be transformed in just a matter of a few weeks.